Make a great choice today with the 2021 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, bed liner, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
DeMontrond wants to serve our community while protecting our valued customers and employees.
So we're announcing DeMontrond Direct for sales and service through DeMontrond.com.
Shop from home, finance from home, and have your vehicle picked up and delivered directly to your driveway.
Also, take advantage of historic customer incentives from all of our great brands.
And with DeMontrond's no questions asked 3-day return policy, your complete satisfaction is guaranteed.
And don't forget about DeMontrond's exclusive warranty forever.
DeMontrond.com, your safe and convenient auto solution.